This is a fully plastic camera, very, very lightweight. You might be thinking, well, what's the point of it? Well, the point is this forms, for me, a very good street camera or a very good everyday camera. I can give this to my children and be happy that if they lost it, broke it or damage it, it wouldn't be my phone that they've dropped down a sewer or dropped off a waterfall or anything like that. So this is quite good for the use case of giving this to people to use. So let's talk conclusions now. What did I think of this camera? Well, I actually really enjoyed using it. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and it's really nice just to have something really simple that you're not worried about that you can use. The picture is grainy, but I'm still quite happy with the picture I get. And as you can see here, I went out and I did a little bit of sort of walking around photography and I got these shots. So they're not as good as a full-blown proper camera, but I don't think that matters for the type of things I would use it for. I will be taking this out with me lots of places. I don't need to worry about things like lens caps because the lens